Why is the work not done yet?
Beep, 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 beep.
Come on! I work hard, you sit around doing nothing.
I have to mix the ingredients before you can work.
What are they doing?
Looks like we need to resolve the conflict here.
Transform!
Stop, what are you doing?
He suddenly picked a fight with me.
I have to work hard and he does nothing.
Stop arguing!
If you want to know who has a better role, take a test.
Test?
Yes, let's get started. Do your work.
Let's go! 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 Go!
Why is this pile still here?
Oh my God!
Oh, come on! So tired!
Hey!
That is the result of that lack of cooperation. Each of you has a different function.
Working together brings good results.
Now let's do it together.
Let's go! Here, here!
Please take another route.
Okay already. All filled. Time to smooth it out. Much later.
We must always go together. That is the only way to do everything well.
We know.
The quiet river was suddenly shattered by roaring engines and wild shouting.
Oh my God, hurry up, hurry up. Hey, stop.
Red McQueen slipped and plunged halfway into the freezing water. The two cars bravely turned themselves into a temporary bridge. The truck followed right behind without a moment's hesitation. The crane whistled upon arrival, surprised to see the McQueens acting as heroes.
Oh, come on!
Oh no! The rope snapped! We have to try again!
Hey, we need a bridge.
Oh, okay.
It looks like they really need to build a strong bridge for the vehicles to cross safely.
Hey, we need to build a bridge.
Okay, I need your help.
The trucks and cranes kept loading materials without pause. The convoy rushed to the construction site with unstoppable determination. The first bricks were laid, marking the beginning of the bridge.
Hey, we need to build a bridge.
Half of the work was done. The team geared up for the final stage.
Next, I need a sand.
The truck unloaded sand at the base to prepare a solid foundation.
Hey, I need it flat.
Okay, let me.
The freshly poured sand had to be carefully leveled to keep the foundation strong.
We must unanimously help each other when faced with difficult circumstances.
Dark clouds are coming. Oh no, thunder and heavy rain.
Hey, find ways to prevent water.
Hey, I need a lot of sand. Look, McQueen and the off-road truck are pushing sandbags to block the water.
Yeah, we are so smart. Oh no! Help! Help me! Help!
Oh no! The dam broke and the flood buried McQueen in the monster truck.
This is the MC Queen.
Thank you so much.
Next is the Tyrian.
Yahoo! Thank you.
Wait, what's that? Something's wrong. A snake?
Help! OMG is Truck and Monster Truck.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hey, we need a dam.
Everyone's safe now, but we need a stronger dam. Working together makes us safe.
I need a dam.
Okay, we will help you.
Go.
The trucks are on their way to help, just in time.
Hey, we come here.
The excavator's dropping sand to make the foundation. Buildings need a strong base. Time to get the cement ready. Mix the cement well. Make it strong. We need cement to make the dam strong and steady.
Wow, so great.
Yeah!
Thank you so much.
Like, share, and subscribe to see what we build next.
The dam is essential during the flood season to ensure safety.
Hi, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and helpful videos.
Yeah, so happy.
Haha, so delicate. Bye.
Beneath the calm water, a crocodile quietly moves toward the bridge.
Oh no, stop please.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
Help, help, help.
Luckily, the crane truck rescued the monster truck just in time.
Oh no, it's so bad.
Hey, we need a bridge.
Let me help.
Okay.
The crew keeps working hard, no matter the challenge.
I want to build a glass bridge.
Okay.
A glass bridge? So modern and creative.
Hey, stop.
Let me try.
Working together makes everything faster and better.
Yeah, it's so great.
Almost done. Let's work hard.
The bridge is done. Teamwork
Make a
always brings
strong
great
bridge.
results.
Let's find a way to resolve when in danger.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. Wow, this desert is so dry. Even trees look sad without water. Look, the truck brought coconut trees and water pipes. They planted new trees. Just one tree can make a big difference.
Oh no, help me!
Suddenly, they spotted a little faucet leaking water.
Huh?
What happened?
Ouch! I need your help.
What's going on?
There is a leaked faucet here.
Look! Water's bursting out! Quick! We need to fix this broken pipe or we'll waste precious water.
Oh no! Please call for help.
I need your help.
What can we help?
I need a new water pipe.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Call the
follow me?
repair team!
Go, go, go! Hurry up, hurry up!
Carefully, they dug into the ground and removed the broken pipe.
Oh my God, it's broken. Be careful!
Then they installed the new pipe tightly so it wouldn't leak again. After covering it with sand, everything looked good as new.
It's going to be done.
And just like that, water flowed again, and the trees smiled. A small fix, a big help to nature.
Having a teamwork, everything will be easier. Look, a wide river with no bridge. How can we cross it? He is thinking.
Let me see.
It looks like he has a plan. But is it safe? Aha! He's placing a thin wooden plank as a bridge, but can it hold the weight?
I can do it.
OMG. Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh no, the bridge is shaking. Weak bridges can be very dangerous. Help!
Oh no, what's going on? I have to go get help.
Crash! The truck falls into the river. Always
There's an
check a
accident
bridge's
by the river.
safety before crossing.
Okay, let's start.
Look, the rescue team is rushing in. Teamwork always helps solve problems faster. The crane lowers its hook, carefully lifting the truck out of the water.
Yahoo, thank you very much.
Success. But this time, we
Let's
need
fix
to
the
build a
bridge.
strong
Okay,
and
let's
sturdy
start.
bridge. Look, they're clearing the broken pieces of the old bridge. Always clean up before building something new. The dump truck is pouring sand while the hands spread it evenly. A strong foundation is the key to a lasting bridge. Oh, they're pouring cement. Cement helps bond materials together and makes the bridge stronger.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
The hands are placing each brick. A strong bridge is built from even the smallest bricks.
Always prioritize safety. Never cross bridges that do not meet safety standards.